Hello everyone, my name is Lorraine Kelly and welcome to my kitchen. Amid COVID, I decided to be a little creative and festive with our upcoming Thanksgiving feast. Here we have, straight out of the island of Jamaica, our wonderful jerk turkey, accompanied with sausage apple herb stuffing. My favorite is my orange cranberry yams. And to make my meal more balanced for our guests this Thanksgiving, we have mixed greens of kale, collard, and spinach with some peppers. And my favorite, our savory cornbread with pepper jack cheese and green onions. And what a Thanksgiving feast without our cheesy, creamy mac and cheese. I am so excited to prepare this meal for our guests. This is what I would sit and have at my table with my family. And I think our guests deserve to have the same treat, a warm, tasty, comforting meal filled with love.